Ladies and gentlemen, let me say this upfront. I never built a successful brand, but I did build a brand and I failed. Which means now I know what to do and what you need to avoid to not crash and burn like I did. I don't have rich parents, I'm not some business genius, but in 2025, I'm starting a clothing brand from scratch and I'm documenting everything for you. You have seen the Instagram brands, sleek fonts, aesthetic race, everyone's wearing oversized tees like they run the world. And I used to just scroll and wish I could do it too. Until I realized you don't need to be a fashion designer, you don't need $10,000, you need a plan and some consistency. So I'm using something called print on demand. No bulk buying, no warehouse, just smart tech that ships your design when someone buys it. Here is why I'm doing this. I'm tired of being a passive consumer, like content, sharing brands, buying other people's ideas. It is time I create something of my own. Not for quick money, but to build something I'm proud of. And if it fails again, I will learn even more. Because when you create, you evolve. And this time, I'm doing better. Step 1. Picking the niche. I'm not making random hoodies for everybody. I picked a niche, a focus group of people with shared identity, values and pain points. That's what a niche is. For me, minimal fashion. It has to reflect you because if you fake it, people feel it. When you live your niche, your content, your design, your storytelling, everything become authentic. Here is a tip for you. Write down your hobbies, struggle or communities you belong to. That is a great place to find your niche. Step 2. Design process. Let's talk design. I can't draw to save my life, but it doesn't stop me. I start rough draft on Canva. It's free and beginner friendly. Then I hire freelance designers on Fiverr to polish the final look. It costs me around $10 to $30 per design. I also look at what's trending, but I don't copy. Instead, I study what works: bold fonts, minimal color palettes, oversized text, clean graphics. What's the goal? Make your design speak without saying much. Because on a t-shirt, simplicity wins. Again, here's a tip for you. Start with 3 to 5 strong designs max. Because quality is greater than quantity always. Let's move to the step 3, which is platform plus store setup. Now, how do I sell the things? I'm using Shopify to build my online store. It is simple, professional and has tools you will actually need like email, abundant cart recovery, analytics. Then I connect it with Printful, a print on demand supplier. Here is what happens. When a customer places an order, Printful print it, ship it, you get paid. You don't need to touch a single hoodie. No storage, no packaging, no post office run. I started with under $100, that is hosting plus domain plus basic plan. In addition, I would like to add use a .com domain that is easy to spell and matches your brand name. Now move to the step 4, which is marketing plan. Here is the big question. How do I get traffic without spending on ads? My strategy: show the process, build in public. I'm creating short videos for Instagram Reels and TikTok, not polished commercial, just me showing how I design, package, mock order, test samples, share my mission. Because people don't buy t-shirts, they buy beliefs, lifestyles, energy. Every reel builds a brand identity. Every comment is an opportunity. I'm using free content as my marketing weapon. And here I would like to give you a tip. Post at least 3 times a week. Test formats like voiceover, day in the life or design drop previews. Now move to the last step, which is step number 5, goals plus mindset. My goal is not to get rich quick. My goal is to learn fast, build momentum and make my first 100 sale in 90 days. That's it. No crazy targets, no overnight dreams. Just building brick by brick. Because the real win, learning, design, storytelling, marketing, all in one project. This is a self-made MBA if you take it seriously. If you are watching this thinking of starting your own brand, don't wait for the perfect time, it does not exist. Start messy, start with what you have, you will figure it out while moving, but only if you move. This is day 1 of my journey, you will see everything, the high, the failure, but I'm not quitting. And if you are building in 2025, neither should you. If this helped you or got you thinking, hit that subscribe button. I will be dropping full episode on branding, mistake I make and how to grow without spending thousands. And comment below, tell me what kind of brand will you start this year. I will reply to everyone. Let's build something real.